Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to page numbers words start on page 3. You will begin by opening the Word document. Check at the document. After that, place the cursor on page 3. There, you will go to the Layout menu, and in the Breaks option, you will click on the next page. Then, in the Insert menu, press on Page Number and you can choose where you will see the number on the page. Note that the numbering will start from the first page. Now place your cursor on page 3 and click Link to Previous. You may notice that the sections of the document are modified. With the cursor on page 3, click on the page number and select Format Page Number. Activate the box Start At, and you will see that it will be number 1. Click on OK. As you can see, the numbering begins on page 3. To delete the leading numbers, place the cursor on the second page and from the page number, click Remove Page Numbers. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.